Samahan si Chris Lorenzana, trainer at Chief Inspiration Officer ng Training Edge Incorporated sa isang oras na seminar sa radyo na magbibigay inspirasyon upang lalo pang mapaganda, mapasaya at mapaunlad ang ating buhay. Winner ka, Pinoy!
Don't quit before your miracle.
Makinig, makilahok at sumama sa talastasan dahil ang programang ito ay para sa iyo.
So if you're lost and on your own, you can never surrender. Hindi ka naman talaga nag-iisa.
Winner ka, Pinoy!
If your path won't lead you home, you can never surrender.
Winner ka, Pinoy! Kada araw ng linggo, alas 11 ng umaga hanggang alas 12 ng tanghali. Dito lamang sa DZXL 558.
Happy Winner Ka Pinoy Sunday, everyone! Welcome to Winner Ka Pinoy! February 16, 2025, dear friends! Welcome to our Valentine episode.
To tell the story of how great a love can be, the sweet love story that is older than the sea, the simple truth about the love she brings to me. Where do I start?
Mga kaibigan, napaka-espesyal po ng episode natin ngayong tanghali. Magbabahagi ako sa inyo ng napakagandang kwentong pag-ibig. Kaya ganyan po ang ating opening music. Where do I begin? Ayan, so bahaginan niyo po ako ng sarili niyo rin pong kwento sa 0976-014-5041. O hindi kaya, padalhan niyo ako ng inyong mga belated Happy Valentine greetings sa inyong mga minamahal.
With very special things, with angel songs, with wild imaginings, she fills my soul with so much love that anywhere I go, I'm never lonely with her around.
Binabati ko ng belated Happy Valentine ang aking mamang Mrs. Aida Lorenzana, ang aking pamangkin Jacob Angelo, lahat kayo ng mga kamag-anak ko at mga kaibigan sa Mindanao. Well, I love you all. I love you all.
Can love be measured by the hours in a day?
And of course, I don't want to forget my beloved son, Janelle. Well, I love you wherever you are. Always, in always.
Burn away, and she'll be there. How long does it last? Can love be measured?
At kayo po na sumusubaybay through our Facebook live stream, please follow DZXL News sa ating YouTube, DZXL News din po, sa TikTok and Twitter. Thank you so much for supporting DZXL 558. Kasama ko po sa ating istasyon ngayon, sa ating production, si Miss Maika Barcelona, Miss Pamelia Barun, sa ating digital, si Mr. Wilson Abrea, Miss Joanna Cruz, making our broadcast possible because I'm broadcasting today through Zoom. And sa newsroom natin, si Mr. Eman Mortega, and our tech, Mr. Daniel Fangolino. Thank you so very much, team. Ayan, ako, sabi nga, it takes a village to raise a child. Well, it also takes a village to broadcast Winner Ka Pinoy. Maraming salamat po talaga. Okay, so napakaganda po ng ating pag-uusapan ngayon tanghali, mga kaibigan. Naniniwala po ba kayo sa tadhana? Nako, talaga po bang may tinadhana para sa atin? I'm going to wear a very special pair of glasses. Dr. Echel Villanueva, if you're watching, Tito Danny, thank you so very much for welcoming me so warmly yesterday. Thank you, Mama Love, for this gift of very beautiful pair of glasses, ha? Ayan, medyo nag-a-adjust lang ang mata ko ngayon kaya nahihilo pa ako kaya hindi ko siya masyadong maisuot. Thank you so much. Naku, pang 1 year na yan na gift. And also, thank you for my reading glasses. Ayan, o, diba? Kaya po, talaga, I'm so grateful to you. Salamat po talaga sa Villanueva family for adopting me as your daughter. At nakilala nyo lang ako sa Winner Ka Pinoy. So maraming salamat po talaga. And I really treasure the times that we are together, moments we're together. Maraming nagpadala sa akin ng messages sa last Valentine's Day. Hindi ko na po kayo maisa-isa ha, pero maraming salamat. Hindi talaga ako masyadong naniniwala sa commercialized Valentine's Day. Talaga pong nire-resist ko yan. Kaya lang kasi gusto ko na rin mag-participate kasi tradition eh. Tradition di po ba na parang kahit Mother's Day, like ko sabi sa inyo na every day can be Mother's Day. Pero siyempre dahil nga meron talagang itinalaga na isang araw to make it more special. So that's why, sabi ko, Chris, wag kang killjoy. Ayan, so that's why ayoko namang ipagkait ang tamis ng pag-ibig at yung mga iba na nagbabahagi sa akin ng inyong mga kwento. Maraming salamat po Talagang may mga iba dyan, hindi pa handang umibig, okay lang din yon, wala namang sapilitan, di ba? Yung mga iba wala talaga ako. Ewan ko parang meron talagang alignment yung stars minsan, no? Pero hindi lang din ako naniniwala sa tadhana talaga na, kunyari, was I destined to go to Baguio to study there, to meet my then husband? Then po, ex-husband, kasi baka magselos yung girlfriend niya ngayon. Was it destiny? Pero, kahit na destiny ko siya, let's say, nakasulat siya sa stars, kung hindi ako nagpunta ng Baguio, di wala din po, di ba? So, akong paniniwala ko po is that, yes, there could be destiny, there is destiny, pero kailangan actionan din natin po, yun, di ba? So, I promised myself na, actually, sabi ko, hindi ako masyadong, ang special lang today na kwento is yung kwento nila, Ben and Jude Cauton, and I'm going to read it later. Pero, sabi ko, I'm going to serenade you, lalo na yung mga, yung mga in love, at yung mga talagang, yung mga iba na, you are with the right person now, di ba? Yung mga inaanak ko, si Faye, si Allison Faye, si Renzo Malyari, diba? You found the one, you found the right one. Ayan, and so, si Joms at saka si Wajini. Diba? Mga inaanak ko ng mga yan. I just met them through training. So I'm just so happy that a part of their lives now. So, I have a favorite song actually na gusto ko talaga tong kanta na to. Na parang nandito yung paniniwala natin sa kanta na to. Nandito yung paniniwala natin na yes, there's a destiny. Pero parang it's also a blessing, no, na is there really like a power up above na parang, kaya nga sabi nila, it's a match made in heaven. Pag ganun, no? So, ewan ko. Sige na, padala niyo ako ng mga inyong messages po, para hindi naman ako, I'm just really, wala akong masyadong maikwento about this because sabi nga sa kasabihan, di po ba, na kapag ukol, bubukol. Ayan, Jude, hindi mo yan syempre maintindihan, diba? So, si Ben na lang magta-translate for you. But anyway, pero, the others, they don't call it destiny. They call it a soulmate. They call the one they love a soulmate. Ayan. So, I'd like us to begin. Sabi ko nga, I'm serenading you today. I'm going to play for you a beautiful song. Bago ko ikwento, yung kwento nila, Ben and Jude Cauton, entitled Tadhana. There's this very nice song na favorite ko to talagang minsan kinakanta ko to pag appropriate sa training or di kaya when I'm giving a message sa mga weddings, ganyan, no? So I'm just going to sing two stanzas para sa mga fans ko dyan. Fans! Na lagi umihiling, Chris, ba't di ka kumanta today? O nga ba't binibilang niyo po talaga yung pagkanta ko, di ba? But this is from the song Born for You by David Pomeranz. Kasi this song really speaks of, parang tadhana nga talaga, no? Parang, yeah. Too many billion people. Nga naman, too many billion people. Ilang bilyong tao na ba tayo in the entire universe? Running around the planet, what is the chance in heaven that you'd find your way to me? Nga naman. Although wala po ako noon ngayon, di po ba? At hindi pa ako umaasa. I'm too old for, I think, my destiny story. Or, I think, hindi man too old, pero feeling ko, I'll just watch out for the destiny story of my son na lang. Ayan. Tell me what is this sweet sensation? It's a miracle that's happened. Though I search for an explanation, only one thing it could be. Ay, nako. Taga mga hopeless romantic dyan. Sige na, join me. Join me. Parang ito ang anthem ng lahat ng mga nakahanap ng kanilang minamahal. That I was born for you. It was written in the stars. Yes, I was born for you. And the choice was never ours. It's as if the powers of the universe conspired to make you mine. Until today I die, I bless the day that I was born for you. So for those of you who found the one who was born for you, I hope you will always bless the day that you found the one that was born for you. Enjoy this very beautiful song, Born for You by David Pomeranz.
Too many billion people running around the planet. What is the chance in heaven that you'd find your way to me? Tell me, what is the sweet sensation? It's a miracle that's happened. Though I search for an explanation, only one thing it could be, that I was born for you. It was written in the stars. Yes, I was born for you. And the choice was never ours. It's as if the powers of the universe conspired to make you mine. Until the day I die, I bless the day I was born for you. Too many foolish people trying to come between us. None of them seem to matter when I look into your eyes. Now I know why I belong here. In your arms I found the answer. Somehow nothing would seem so wrong here if they'd only realize that I was born for you, and that you were born for me. And in this random world, this was clearly meant to be. What we have, the world could never understand or ever take away. Until the day I die, I bless the day that I was born for you. What we have, the world could never understand or ever take away. And as the years go by, until the day I die, I bless the day that I was born for you.
Such a beautiful song, dear friends. Born for You by David Pomeranz. Napakaganda po talaga. Lagi itong pinapatugtog sa mga kasal, di po ba? Na parang sinasabi dito na, now I know why I belong here. In your arms, I found the answer. Somehow, nothing would seem so wrong here if they'd only realized that I was born for you. Totoo naman yun, no? Kapag kasama mo talaga yung tamang tao para sa'yo, parang nothing could go wrong here. Ayan, at kagaya nga po ng sinabi ko kanina, ayan, ako naputol po pala yung ating Facebook live stream. Pero anyway, nireshare ko na po ulit. Welcome po ulit sa mga bago nating tagapakinig. I would like to greet especially lahat ng mga nag-attend sa webinar na Heartbreak to Breakthrough from Fresenius Medical Center. Thank you so very much for the 2 sessions we had together. Nako, talaga nakaka-inspire talaga yung ating topic na yon. Pati ako na-inspire doon. Ayan, and so, I'm going to share, in English po kagaya ng sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, yung kwento ni Ben and Jude Cauton. Ayan, na ipinadala sa akin ni Mrs. Jude Cauton, who was a classmate of mine in SLU, BS Psychology. Ayan, mga kaibigan, ha? At, well, you'll be so amazed na, parang destiny talaga. At ako naniniwala din talaga ako na, destiny talaga. Anyway, so like what I said earlier, I'm going to read this in English po, para po, I'll stay true doon sa kwento na ipinadala sa akin. Alright. So, tawag dito, sana po ma-inspire kayo at mamaya po, pag medyo malalim yung English or what, you can still glean yung story nila doon sa, tawag dito, doon sa papatugtugin ko na kanta nila po. Ayan. That was composed for them. Alright. Okay, let me see. I should play a very nice background music here. Makahanap ba lang ba ng magandang, kailangan meron ako magandang background dito. Wala po kasi ako sa station today. So let's see. I will tag dito. I will find a nice one. Ayan, pag nasa station ako talaga mas madali ang buhay palagi. Ayan po. So let's see. Okay. Aha. Okay. Alright. Sige po. Let's try. Okay. Ito na lang din po ulit ang background ko, yung Born for You. Okay. Some love stories are not written in a single chapter. They unfold across years, across lifetimes, waiting for the right moment to be told. Ours took decades. Again, para po sa mga kaka-tune in lamang, well, I'm sharing with you now yung kwentong pag-ibig ni na Ben and Jude Cauton entitled Tadhana. This was sent by Miss Jude Cauton. I met Ben in college, introduced by a mutual friend outside the Student Council office of the College of Human Sciences. Kasi BS Psychology ang course ni Jude's. I had just stepped into this new world, and there he was, his handshake lingering a little too long, his eyes locked on mine, as if time had paused just for us.
Yes, I was born for you, and the choice was never ours. It's as if the powers
That same afternoon, another friend who had a crush on me, maganda po talaga kasi si Jude. Ayan. Alright, ulitin, ba't ba ako nagko-comment? That same afternoon, another friend who had a crush on me invited me to a gathering on Session Road. But something unexpected happened. Underneath the table, Ben reached for my hand and he never let go.
too many foolish people trying to come between.
We left the restaurant together, still hand in hand, as if it was the most natural thing in the world. To think po kakakilala lang nila nung umaga. Ayan. We walked, still holding hands, through the streets, through the rain, all the way to the Pink Sisters. It was as if in that moment, the universe had decided that we belonged to each other. He walked me back to my dorm. Pareho po kami ng dormitory noon sa SLU. Stood outside in the rain and just watched my window. Later, he would tell me, that was the moment I knew I would marry you. Galing talaga ni Ben. He just knew. He just knew.
Be what we have, the world could never know.
Pasensya na po kayo mga kaibigan na dahil ko ad-lib. Dati ako nag-ad-lib, di ba? Anyway, but life had other plans. I had to return to Guam. Kasi taga-Guam po talaga si Jude. He had responsibility. His father had passed away. And as the eldest, he had a family to support. We were young. I was not ready for marriage. And so, we let go. Or at least, I tried to.
What we have, the world could never understand.
We both went our separate ways, built separate lives, and married different people. So, nagpakasal po sila sa ibang tao. Ben became a devoted husband and father to 3 children. I too got married and had a child of my own. But even with the families we created, a part of our hearts always remained unfinished, like an open book waiting for its final chapter. Yet even as I loved and I lived, in the quiet moments of my relationships, I found myself searching for something I had lost. I searched for Ben in all the men I loved, but no one was ever quite like him. No one ever made me feel the way he did. Yan talaga po ang talagang pag-ibig, no? Years passed. Distance stretched between us. Life happened. And yet, somewhere in the quiet spaces of my heart, I knew Ben was never truly gone. Then, in 2008, nagkakilala sila 1990. Arat. Tama ba 1990? Ay, mali, hindi. 1986, right, Jude? Okay, I'm sorry about my memory. Then, in 2008, everything changed. I nearly died. I put si Judith po ito, si Jude. Ayan, I nearly died. 5 ambulance rides in 2.5 weeks. I can't even imagine that, Jude, no? A near-death experience that shattered every illusion of control I had. Lying there, caught between this life and the next, I declared, God, I surrender.
And the choice was never ours. It's as if the powers of the
And then, Ben heard about it.
fire to me.
A friend told him what had happened, that I had almost died, that I was alone in my suffering, that my life was hanging by a thread. And without hesitation, he made a decision. He flew to Houston with his son. For the first time in decades, we were face to face again. And in that moment, we knew. He had already lost me once in 1990. He almost lost me again in 2008. And this time, he decided, no more waiting. He said, whether you like it or not, I will marry you.
Now I know why I belong here in your arms.
Sometimes I forget how deeply I was loved. I had always been afraid of the weight of his responsibilities. I was not sure I could carry them with him. But time apart had given him the space to fulfill his duty. And time had given me the wisdom to see what truly mattered. After 20 years of friendship, after decades of trying to outrun what was always meant to be, we finally found our way home to each other.
Could never understand or ever take away.
Ben once told me that the moment he saw me, he knew I was the one. He waited through the years, through the lives we built with others. He waited through my fears, through my doubts, through every attempt I made to push him away. And when I was finally ready, When I had nothing left to run from, he was still there, holding out his hand, just as he did on that very first day. This time, I did not walk away. This time, I held on. As I look at my Ben, yun ang tawag ni Jude kay Ben, my destiny, I see not just the man who waited, but the love that endured. The love that never wavered, never faded, never let go. Jude, thank you so much for your very, very beautiful story. Sobrang nakaka-inspire yung kwento mo, really. And sa mga nakikinig po sa atin, talagang, well, you could just imagine, no, na parang, wow, such a beautiful story shared through so many years, ano po. And so, I'm going to share with you a very beautiful song na talaga pong, kung makikita ninyo, no, na wow, parang pwede pala ang ganong klaseng pag-ibig na, well, nagkaanak na sila, nagkapamilya na sila, and they went through their separate ways. I think they have said goodbye already physically, mentally maybe, or even somehow, well, they just accepted na ito na talaga. But maybe their souls were still looking for each other. And so, I'm going to share with you this very beautiful song entitled Tadhana na kinumpos Judge Jel Felizco Padrid para sa kanila as a gift for their wedding. At nilapatan ng musika by Melodies by Nika. And so, Ben and Jude, well, this episode is for you. And again, we're dedicating this entire episode for your love story, Tadhana.
Namulat ako, ika'y aking katabi. Di mapigil ang tanongin ang sarili. Ikaw nga ba ito o aking mahal? Tininig na nga ba ang aking dasal? Nabuo ang simpleng pagkakaibigan na sana'y sa araw-araw na samahan. Ikaya natin ating pinagsaluhan, dalamhati mo'y aking kabiguan. Minamasdan kita at iyong mga ngiti, ang pagsuyong unti-unting nahahabi. Di naglaon at ako ay nagising, ikaw pala ang nais makapiling. Sa araw na yon ako ay nangako, nang ako'y papasukin sa iyong puso. Bawat salitang aking sampitin, nakatukot sinta sa mga bituin. Ngunit tadhana ay sadyang ang kay lupit kung bakit ang ako'y biglang pinagkait. Ika'y lumisan, tayo'y nagkawalay, kapwa tayo ay may iba ng buhay. Pinilit makita, hinanap sa iba, di ko inakalang gayon ka rin pala. Walang saysay paghanap kung ito, kung di rin lang tayo magkakatagpo. Naging mapaglaro ang pagkakataon, tila mapaninlaw mahabang panahon. Sa paglalakbay, tadhana rin ito ang nag-ukit ng landas patungo sa'yo. Minamasdan kita at iyong mga ngiti, ang pagsuyong unti-unting nahahabi. Di naglaon at ako ay nagising, ikaw pala ang nais makapiling. Sa araw na yon ako ay nangako, nang ako'y papasukin sa iyong puso. Bawat salitang aking sampitin, nakatukot sinta sa mga bituin. Tadhanang buklod ng aking mga kamay, pagsintang taglay, pinag-isang buhay. Pangakong noon ay tinitawan, muling alay sa'yo magpakailanman.
What a beautiful song! Yan po ang kanta na para kay Mr. Ben and Jude Cauton for their story, tadhana. Ayan, mga kaibigan. So, thank you so much for, well, enjoying that song with me at sa pakikinig sa kanilang love story. Di po ba napakaganda ng kanilang kwento? Ano masasabi nyo, kaibigan? Yung kwento ni Ben and Jude na siyang kwentong pag-ibig natin ngayon as we celebrate the Love Month, February, ay para sa akin po, it's not just a story about faith. Hindi lang siya kwento ng itinadhana talaga. Yes, itinadhana, but it is also about courage. Kasi, do you agree with me na ang pagmamahal talaga takes courage? Hindi naman po talaga madali ang pagmamahal. Dahil walang guarantee sa pagmamahal. Kaya nga doon sa topic namin na from heartbreak to breakthrough, when we love, the moment we start loving somebody, we also accept that we could be hurt. Right? Kunyari, the moment na, na niligawan natin ng isang tao, we also accept na pwede tayong tanggihan, that we can be rejected. So, parang on that same coin, love and hurt and pain. Kaya nga po merong kanta, di po ba, na love hurts, love mars, ganyan. So, wala po talagang guarantee sa pag-ibig. So for me, ang isang aral na nakuha ko sa kwento nila Ben and Jude is that hindi lang tadhana ang may gawa, kundi meron din silang lakas ng loob. They had the courage to act upon their love. At syempre, andoon yung talagang, there's this relentless pursuit for what was meant to be doon sa buhay nila. Kung hindi nagpunta si Ben sa Houston, baka hindi natin alam kung anong nangyari sa kwento nila, di ba? Baka nandito pa rin sa Pilipinas si Ben with his family. And Jude, I don't know, Jude, diba? Ano na kaya ang nangyari sa'yo, di ba? So, ang love story po talaga, hindi siya straight path, no, kaibigan? Hindi siya straight path. Kaya, it reminds me of this very beautiful song, The long and winding road. Yun lang alam ko. It just reminds me of that line na may mga pagmamahalan po talaga na hindi straight ang path, no? It's a long and winding road. At minsan, kaya nga, meron pang nauso na, di ba, na parang kasabihan na hahamakin ang lahat, masunod ka lamang yung pag-ibig daw. Nalalanguyin yung pinakamalawak na dagat, aakyatin ang pinakamataas na bundok. These are metaphors kung papaano natin minsan inaaksyonan talaga, ginagawa ng paraan, matupad lang ang ating tadhana. So, yun, kaibigan. And so, there are times when we just have to also follow, no, na ako naniniwala talaga ako doon sa hero's journey na you follow your bliss. Na kapag sinunod mo, what gives you, hindi lang happiness, but really bliss, no? Yung parang, you feel whole, buo ka, yung saya mo ay buo. Dadaling ka rin talaga kung saan ka itinadhana. Di ba? Parang, ayun ang paniniwala ko. Like, for example, alam niyo naman po ang kwento natin sa Winner Ka Pinoy, parang pakiramdam ko, itinadhana ako dito sa DZXL 558. Pero, inaksyonan ko din naman, di po ba? Hindi naman ako naghintay lang na DZXL would come knocking on my door and say, Chris, mag-host ka nga ng isang inspiring radio show. Nung nakilala ko si Mr. Chris Istolas, who then became assistant station manager ng DZXL, ako naman ang lumapit. Ako ang nagsabi na magkano ba ang airtime. Bibili ako ng airtime. I created the concept. Di po ba? Ginawan ko ng title, Winner Ka Pinoy. Nagpagawa ako ng logo kay Mr. Ed Altares pa yan, Winner Ka Pinoy. So, ganun po talaga yata. Well, yun po ang paniniwala ko po. Hindi ko po idinidikta. Pero, kailangan po minsan, aksyonan din natin yung ating tadhana. And that's why, thank you so much, Jude, for sending your story. I'm so grateful, my friend. At see you in March. Ayan, your story, Jude, and Ben, your story is a testament to the power of truly pursuing one's destiny. Hindi po magaling magtagalog si Jude, mga kaibigan, ha? So, mag-English po muna tayo. It's not just about waiting for the universe to align, but making the conscious decision time and again to choose each other, which you did. to fight for love, not just when it was easy, but especially when it was hard. Kaya, I celebrate you and Ben. Nakakatuwa po si Ben. Alam niyo po ba na kwento sa akin ni Jude, nireregaluhan niya si Jude pag birthday niya. Birthday ni Ben, pero nireregaluhan niya si Jude ng, well, di ba nakakatuwa, ano po? So that's why, as we celebrate the season of love, pero again, mga kaibigan, alam niyo naman na every day can be Valentine's Day. Pero sige na po, just to, really highlight this season. Sana, para po sa atin na walang romantic relationship, pwede naman tayong magkaroon ng loving relationship sa ating sarili. Di po ba? May nagme-message sa akin ng Valentine's Day. Sino Valentine mo? Wala. My Valentine is myself. Saan date mo? My date is myself. Walang masama to just say, well, I don't have somebody special, but, diba? I have my children, I have my family, or I have myself, I have my friends. So, kaibigan, sana ay balutin lagi natin ang ating araw-araw ng pagmamahal. And I would like to play a very special song, and this is dedicated to you, Ben, kasi ito yung lagi mong pinapatugtog at isinasayaw mo si Jude sa kahit saang parte ng bahay nyo with this song. Alright, at tayo rin mga kaibigan, I think, matutuwa tayo sa kanta na to. This is one of my favorite songs also, with a Smile by Eraserheads, na tinaguri ang The Beatles of the Philippines. Talagang dahil sa Eraserheads, kaya sumikat talaga ang OPM all over the world. So enjoy this very beautiful song, dear friends, With a Smile by Eraserheads.
Lift your head, baby, don't be scared of the things that could go wrong along the way. You'll get by with a smile. You can't win at everything, but you can try. Baby, you don't have to worry, 'cause there ain't no need to hurry. No one ever said that there's an easy way. When they're closing all their doors, they don't want you anymore. It sounds funny, but I say it anyway. Girl, I'll stay through the bad times, even if I had to pet you every day. Get by if you smile. You can never be too happy in this life. In a world where everybody hates a happy ending story, it's a wonder love can make the world go round. But don't let it bring you down, turn your face into a frown. Get along with a little prayer and a song. Let me hear you sing it. In a world where everybody hates a happy ending story, it's the one that love can make the world go round. But don't let it bring you down, turn your face into a frown. Get along with a little prayer and a song. Lift your head, baby, don't be scared of the things that could go wrong along the way. You'll get by with a smile. Now it's time to kiss away those tears goodbye. Let me hear you sing
Dear friends, what a beautiful song by the Eraserheads with a smile dedicated to Mr. Ben Cauton and especially to his wife, our letter sender for today sa ating kwentong pag-ibig na si Miss Jude Cauton. Naku, napakaganda po ng kwento nilang tadhana mga kaibigan, di po ba? Pero the song with a smile tells us na susubukin talaga tayo sa ating landas pero kaya nating lagpasan yon kapag kaya pang ngumiti, hanggat may ngiti. Kaya with a smile, you'll get by with a smile. Kaya minsan, basta kaya pa rin nating sumaya at hanapin yung pag-asa at tignan talaga yung pag-asa, we will really get by. Ayan, sa mga kaibigan, sa mga kaka-tune in lamang, we're celebrating today ang kwentong pag-ibig ni Ben and Jude Cauton sa ating special episode for our, February 16, 2025 Valentine celebration. Meron pa po tayong isang pagkakataon for kwentong pag-ibig for next week, last Sunday of February po. So pwede pa rin po kayo magpadala ng inyong kwentong pag-ibig. At ito po nakakatuwa kasi parang kung iisipin, no, na sino pa, hindi naman po siguro lahat talaga ng kwento kasing saya ng kwento nila Ben and Jude. Merong mga iba dyan na hindi talaga, alam nyo na, hindi pinalad, no, sa, paano ko ba sabihin, sa area ng love life, ng pag-ibig. And that's really okay, alright? That's really okay. And, naku, yung mga iba nga, they find their soulmate at the age of 60, 65, diba? So, wag po tayong masyadong maging malungkot po, Ayan, let me read your messages now. And, wow, thank you so much, Mr. Wait lang, balikan ko sa unang-una. Hello, Mr. Edman Ukduk and Judy Hernandez, thank you so much for watching. Mr. Renato C., good Sunday morning to you as well. Hello, Jason Abalencia, happy Valentine. Ray Joseph Galang, thank you so much for all your support. Mr. Angelo Redaha says, happy Sunday. Tanghali ang Radyoman, Ate Chris, God bless from Malolos, Bulacan. Maraming salamat. Hello, Bing and Jonathan Damalerio. Happy Valentine to you both. Anyway, from June, Benauro Mendoza. Hi, June. Hello po, Ma'am Chris. Happy Valentine's po. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. At sa lahat ng nagmamahalan tulad ng gasolina at bigas. Joke lang po. Indeed, no? Ayan. Hi, beautiful Chris. Happy Winter Kapinoy Sunday to you as well, Ed. Hello to my Auntie Bing, Lorenzana Abrenica. Hi, Auntie. Happy Valentine. Stay beautiful. Mary Chris Mendez is watching. Hello. Hello, Katie. Jude, I'm so happy you're able to watch. I'm so happy. Akala ko replay na lang yung mapapanood mo. Miss Ermi Clemente, thank you so much for your message. Blessed Sunday to you as well. And sino pa ba? Dr. Echel Villanueva, thank you so much for watching. Ronald Tumbaga, sabi niya, okay, genuine virtue consists of being charitable, loving one's fellow men, and being judicious in behavior, speech, and deed. How can I give love when I didn't know what it is? I'm giving, sabi daw ni John Lennon. That's nice. Find what you love and let it kill you, sabi daw ni Charles Bukowski. I think it's a metaphor, no, na, yeah, act on it. Hello to Miss Veronica Agpawa, if you're listening, watching. Ayan, and Miss Leone Chico, sabi mo, papadala ka ng iyong kwentong pag-ibig, hintayin ko. Hintayin ko. Ayan, so, na-inspire po ba kayo sa kwento nila, Ben and Jude? Ayan, happy Valentine's from Tita Vicky Clemena. Happy Valentine's Day to you as well, and to your family. Tita, thank you so much for always being with me on Winner Ka Pinoy. Hello, Mr. Edwin Gueco. Thank you so much for your messages. Maraming salamat. Happy Valentine. Ayan, from Ed Manukduk, sabi niya, may we always be filled with enlightenment, love, and inspiration all the time. Indeed, indeed. Yes. Thank you so much. Ayan. So, well, I'm so happy really that I got to share the story of my friend Judes. Nasanay ako sa Judes, ayan, and I was able to really also, paano ko ba, siguro Jude, mas pwede bang wag ka magselos, pero I'd like really to, sana marami pang Ben sa mundo, no? You know, who would really, really love and who would really, paano ba, hindi naman niya nilangoy, no? Pero paano ko ba sabihin, well, he left family in the Philippines to go to you, Jude. So, grabe, no? I mean, ganon talaga ang pagmamahal. And as we're winding down, dear friends, and as we celebrate yung kwentong pag-ibig ni Ben and Jude Cauton, sana ay, yes, maniwala tayo sa tadhana. Pero, kailangan kumilos din tayo gaya ni Ben. Lumipad siya papuntang Houston. Gaya ni Jude. Umoo siya nung inalok siyang magpakasal na sila. No more waiting. Kaya kayo dyan na nag-iintay pa, naku, wag na mag-intay. Act on it, di ba? If, sabi nga, if you feel the impulse and if you're certain in your heart, wala naman pong guaranteed na love story na it will always have a happy ending or na parang lahat ng araw natin bed of roses, di ba? Pero just act on your love. Just like Ben and Jude did. So, nako, mga kaibigan, malapit na po akong magpaalam. Let me just check if there are other messages here. Pahabol nyo na po yung mga messages nyo para mabasa ko pa. At sino pa ba ang mga hindi ko nabati na pinangakuan kong batiin? Ayan. Lahat po na nakikinig sa mga Zumba group dito sa Makati, nakasama si Radio. Rubes, maraming salamat. Thank you so much thank you. Maraming salamat sa panunood sa Winner Ka Pinoy. Ayan, Wow, natsambahan gid auntie. I'm so happy na natsambahan mo gid nga live today. Sa Mindanao po itong auntie ko. Kaya talagang I'm so happy every time na pag Auntie Bing ko or Auntie Lolit ko are watching. I'm always so happy. There's a message from Jude, from our letter sender, our story sender today. About to sleep on my side of the world and your show came on. Thank you for sharing our story. You brought a smile in our hearts as we listen to you. Oh, thank you so much. Matulog na kayong dalawa. Patapos na rin naman ako. Good night. And good night to you both. And I'm so happy that I made your heart smile as we reminisce your story, Ben and Jude. At mga kaibigan, bago po ako magpaalam, ang pagmamahal talaga is a choice. Hindi lang siya pakiramdam na love is not just a feeling. Ano yun? Love is really a choice. It's a commitment. It's a force, just like what Ben did, no? Na talagang love is a force that will shape the direction, the trajectory of our lives. And when we believe in love, we open our hearts to possibilities. Na may posibilidad pa, di ba? Pag naniniwala ka sa pagmamahal at sa pag-ibig, meron talagang posibilidad pa na, oo nga, di ba? Pwede pa akong magmahal. Pwede pa akong umibig. Or hindi kaya naman, kaibigan, pwede na parang, pag kunyari, na nasaktan ka dati, pag naniniwala ka sa pag-ibig, you can open your heart to healing again. To healing. Hindi automatic talaga ang healing. It will take time, 'di ba? Pero with healing, nasaktan ka dati, na-betray ka, pinagtaksilan ka, pinagpalit ka, you can heal again. And maybe, hopefully, down the road, you can find love again. And so, pag naniniwala talaga tayo sa pag-ibig, sana marami pang kwentong pag-ibig akong matatanggap, and to the beautiful unfolding of it sa buhay natin, through faith, kaya nga sabi, through hope, kaya nga, faith, hope, and love, they always go together. Through faith, ang daming dekada, two decades, no, Jude, yung inintay ninyo, 20 years for the love to really be fulfilled. Pero nagintay sila. Di man pala sila nagintay. Well, inuohan pa rin nila ang isa't isa when they found each other again. Faith, hope, and love. They always go together. Malapit na naman po ako magpaalam. So no matter where you are in your journey sa iyong love story ngayon, no matter where you are, sana hold on to love. Keep believing in love. At bago ako magpaalam mga kaibigan, I would like to thank again our digital Mr. Wilson Abrea, Miss Joanna Cruz, our production Miss Micah Barcelona, Miss Pamelia Barun, our newsroom Mr. Eman Mortega, and of course our tech Mr. Daniel Fangolino. Maraming salamat. And my PA, Ray Joseph Kagandahan, maraming salamat. And before I close and play to you again the very beautiful song Love Story, gusto ko lamang sabihin na hold on to love. Not just the love that finds you, but the love you create. Kasi may mga times na sinasabi natin na hindi pa ako nahahanap ng pag-ibig ko. Baka hindi ka talaga niya mahanap, di ba? Baka ikaw kailangan mo ring lumabas doon para mahanap ka. Right? So, celebrate not just the love that finds you, but the love you create, the love you nurture, and the love you give freely. Because in the end, love, real love, steadfast love, gaya ng kay Ben and Jude, is what makes life really beautiful. Panahon na naman po ulit para magpaalam mga kaibigan. Enjoy this very beautiful song, Love Story.
Where do I begin to tell the story of how great a love can be? The sweet love story that is older than the sea. The simple truth about the love she brings to me. Where do I start? With her first hello, she gave a meaning to this empty world of mine. There'd never be another love, another time. She came into my life and made the living fine. She fills my heart. She fills my heart with very special things, with angel songs, with wild imaginings. She fills my soul with so much love that anywhere I go, I'm never lonely with her along. Who could be lonely? I reach for her hand, it's always there. How long does it last? Can love be measured by the hours in a day? I have no answers now, but this much I can say. I know I'll need her till the stars all burn away, and she'll be there. I know stars all burn away, and she'll be
Maraming salamat mga kaibigan sa pagsama sa akin ng isang buong oras. Maraming salamat po. At sabayan niyo na ako mga kaibigan. Sikapin natin maging isang tunay na Pilipino sa isip, sa salita at sa gawa. At huwag mong kakalimutan kaibigan ha, winner ka, Pinoy.
Sumainyo ang isa na namang makabuluhang palatuntunan sa radyo. Winner ka! Pinoy! Muling umantabay sa parehong oras, alas 11 ng umaga hanggang alas 12 ng tanghali. Dito lamang sa DZXL 558. Winner ka! Pinoy!